So, isa sa mga rason kung bakit 22 lang ang senator na nasa roster ngayon. Yung isa nagtatago, no? Yung isa hinuli on plunder charges. We are referring to Senator Jinggoy Estrada. And lately, nag-issue ng 90-day suspension ang Sandigan Bayan. I think it's 2nd Division. Pero ang charge dito ay graft and corruption. Pag nasuspend ka from your function, not only as a senator or any government official for that matter, wala kang participation, wala kang sweldo, wala kang contribution, wala kang pwedeng gawin in connection with your office. So 90 days lang ang pinataw na suspension. Doon sa 5th Division, merong plunder case. And in the plunder case, merong Republic Act 7080. At dito sa Republic Act na ito yung plunder law na sinasabi natin, a public official facing a valid criminal prosecution for plunder is mandatorily suspended from office while the case is ongoing. The suspension remains in effect regardless of the stage of execution or the official's position or participation. Dito, hindi kailangan ipataw ang suspension ng 5th Division kung nasaan yung kaso because there is an automatic suspension. Pag ikaw ay government official, meron kang valid criminal prosecution, automatically suspended. That means na doon sa charge ng graft and corruption, 90 days lang ang suspension. Pero sa plunder, automatically, nung nabigyan siya ng warrant of arrest, automatically suspended siya hanggang matapos yung kaso. So pag natapos yan in 8 years, then tapos na yung termino niya. No? Hanggang Supreme Court, 8 years, hanggang ngayon, 10 years siguro, but he remains suspended from the Senate. Again, I repeat, the suspension is automatic. Hindi kailangan mag-order ang Sandigan Bayan. And the official is barred from performing his duties as soon as the information is formally filed. Yung information dito, final na ng Ombudsman sa Sandigan Bayan, suspended na siya. At again, kahit na naka-bail siya sa graft and corruption, pero hindi naman bailable ang plunder, kahit nasa labas na siya, suspended pa rin yung kanyang office. And pag na-quit, pwede namang i-reinstate, pero hindi naman ordinary government employee na bibigyan ng back wages ang senator. So, kasi by term tayo by term. So, there you go. There is no need for an order of the Sandigan Bayan to suspend him for the plunder case. And this becomes a problem of the minority sa Senado because kahit nasa roster, kahit nasa roster si Jinggoy, hindi rin siya makakaboto whether dalhin siya sa Senado or whether by video. Kasi nga, hindi na siya senador.